Hi, my name is Jethro and Rubenta, and I will going to show you how to construct a truth table using this given. But first, we're going to define some terms that are needed and important for our discussion. This is AND or conjunction. It can only be true when both P and Q are true. This is or disjunction and can only be true if either P or Q is true. If then or contradiction is false when true implies false. Not or negation is the opposite of the truth value of P and Q. If and only if or bioconditional can only be true when both P and Q are true or false. First, we are going to determine how many lines or row in our truth table by using these two formula. Since we have three variables, the P, Q, and the R, we're going to substitute the 3 to Rn. So, 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So there are 8 rows. 4 divided by 2 equals 4 for P. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 for Q. And 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 for R. So we are going to write 4 true and 4 false on P. Two true and 2 false for Q. And 1 true and 1 false for R. So following PEMDAS, we're going to solve first this one enclosed in parentheses. So T implies T. T implies 3. T implies false is false. T implies false is false. F implies T is T. F implies T is T. F implies F is T. F implies F is T. So we're going to solve this next enclosed in parentheses. So T implies T is T. T implies F is F. F implies T is T. F implies T. F implies F is T. T implies T is T. T implies F is F. F implies T is T. F implies F is T. And now, we're going to answer this and this using the AND. But remember, in conjunction, if both P and Q are true, therefore the statement is true. So T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and T is F. So T and T is true. T and false is false. T and T is true. T and T is true. So we are going to answer this given in close. T implies T is T. T implies F is F. T implies T is T. T implies F is F. F implies T is T. F implies F is T. F implies T is T. F implies F is T. So lastly, we're going to answer this and this. T and T implies T. F implies F is T. F implies F is T. F implies F is T. T implies T is T. F implies T is T. T implies T is T. T implies T is T. Looking at our final answer, this statement is looking true or tautology. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.
Hi wishers, we are 4 of Spades. For more wish-exclusive videos,
Click here. Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
click here.
Click here.
Click here. Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here to subscribe.